Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. So first of all, happy holidays or Merry Christmas to everybody who is celebrating it. Just wanted to take a quick look at the Bitcoin short term. I know a lot of people get frustrated here. There isn't much movement, but to be honest, in the holiday season here, there is not much movement expected. I think what we could probably see here over the holidays is that Bitcoin completes this small wave 2, which we talked about. Anybody who wants to get the bigger picture, take a look at my previous video from today. But yeah, today I just want to cover it briefly here. I think this wave 2 could still be ongoing in whatever shape or form that is. I mean, this is really, what we're doing here is micro counting. If we go to the 30-minute chart, what this could be is some kind of a triangle. Maybe even this wave B is still unfolding as a triangle. I'm just showing you options here. Please don't think that on these small, wave degrees you can sort of forecast every small wave. I mean, this is we are so constrained now. I mean, if you look at what we did sort of in the last, let's say 24 hours, we've really been in a range of, I mean, seriously, how much is that? Is that really only like $39? It indeed is. Wow. I mean, that is the tightest range I've seen in a long time for Bitcoin. $39. Yeah, seriously. Within 24 hours is crazy. I don't know when, probably there you will find some period where we did it before, but it is really, really tight. And what you normally get, if you get squeezed like that into a range, you will get that kind of impulsive breakout afterwards. So what is not entirely clear to me, if we really dip into this wide support area and then go up, or if we go up straight away. In either scenario, I personally am leaning towards further upside here, even if it's only short term, certainly into the region 17.3k. That's certainly my primary expectation. How do I manage that? With Bitcoin, I don't manage anything at the moment. Bitcoin, my approach is only dollar cost averaging, here and there, but slowly, pocket money basically. And then either if we really get a new low, which I'm waiting for, I'm going to put a larger amount in. So I still have sort of cash waiting there, for Bitcoin to make a new low, because that's what I expect. Or alternatively, if we don't make a new low, I want to wait for a confirmation that a confirmed bottom is in. When that confirmation comes, I will of course let you know here on the channel. It would be a 5-wave move to the upside on a significant time frame and a 3-wave move down. I did explain that before. Those are the two points when I will, DCA further. Other than that, I am trading Ethereum at the moment, just personal preference really. So I have set some buy orders in the on the Ethereum equivalent in the chart in this area, basically located here. By the way, with a stop loss below the area. That is based here on the area between the 78.6% fib level and the 50% fib level, between 16,630 and 16,730 roughly. Ideally it gets into this area. It doesn't need to though. Two reasons why it doesn't need to. First reason is we have already reached a 38.2% fib level. For a retracement that is sufficient. It doesn't need to go any lower. But this is just the ideal area. What I mean is, if we now go up and break above the 16,880 level, then I think we can be ready for a move up in a wave 3. And that could take us to, let's just see, that overall blue wave C should take us to around 17.3k, depends on how low we really get. But if we just look at the white wave 3 within the wave C, so it's a sub-wave count of the blue wave C, it should take us to around, also just below 17.3k basically. The other reason why it could be complete is, I believe on Binance it did reach this support area, the 50% retracement. Let's just double check that. Someone told me. No, it's not there. We need to check this one here. No, I didn't. If I measure to the top, but don't measure to the top, because I consider the top an overshooting wave B. I guess both interpretations are possible, but it is really micro counting, so I wouldn't, don't put too much emphasis on, or don't try to sort of, predict every small move. It's more about, when trading this is more about trading level by level, managing risk. That's all we need to do in the current environment, I believe. Setting stop losses, looking for trade setups, setting stop losses. If the buy orders don't trigger, they don't trigger. Then we're looking for the next trade setup. Other than that, in the current environment, I believe it's all about risk management. That's what people should be focused on. Now, the other option is I've got here A overshooting wave B and wave C down. I don't think that's reasonable anymore, because this is not a C wave down, what's happening here at the moment. It could be some kind of a B wave triangle still, in whatever kind, shape or form. B waves can be triangles. It would lead to the same outcome, which is a move down. The move up is currently not impulsive at all, so I'm rather looking at another dip down, but this is really the short time frame. If we really break above here, 16,880, that's where the resistance is, here, then I think we go up without going down. Elliott Wave triangle could be, one second, let me just think. Could be an A wave up here, B, C, D, E, basically be nearly finished and then break down. There's a couple of ways how this can be counted, not necessarily so important. What I think is important is to understand that if we go below this significant swing low here at 16,767, then it would be a strong indication that we will hit here the support area. And also I think it's important to understand that this move here is certainly not impulsive to the upside, so I don't think a wave 3 would be an impulse. So at the moment I'm still leaning off, ideally getting into the wide support area. Looking at this, you can also define some nice trend lines here. So a break of those would already indicate the direction, And that's pretty much everything I can tell you at the moment. There isn't much more. It's quiet out there. It's good to get a break as well. Still want to keep you updated, as you know, and I'm curious about how it's going on. Getting on, I guess tomorrow there will also not be much movement, but maybe over the holidays we can dip into this area and carry on to the upside. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.